are doing a typical inspection in a bathroom. We always have moisture issues. And a lot of people get confused between what is a porous surface, what is non-porous, and what is semi-porous. And the toilet can be a little confusing because when you're looking over the toilet, it is a combination of semi-porous and non-porous. The outside of the tank has a glaze over it. And we typically, you'll look, in the toilet. Sometimes you'll see a ring of mold growth, around the surface. If you usually have, hidden mold issues somewhere else in the bathroom or the house, we can actually come and look in the tank. And see, this tank's not that bad, got a little bit of spotty growth. But this is semi-porous because it's not covered with a glaze like we have on the outsides of the toilet. So if we tip the lid over, you can see moisture is constantly getting into those nooks and crannies, which often present an opportunity for mold growth. You can get little microbial reservoirs here in the crack or underneath where the tank sits on top of the toilet. But what a lot of people don't realize is that, I'm gonna put a little light back here, is mold growth can actually, I'm gonna tip, we're looking underneath the toilet so you can see what I see. So, if you think you're a very good cleaner, I wouldn't be surprised if you've missed this. I'm Victor, one of the senior building biologists here.